We have the Poolease cordless robot pool cleaner. This is the X1. Okay, it's got a handle here. This is how you get it out of the pool. When it's done cleaning, it basically just goes to the edge of the pool and you get it out using a gaff, okay, that it comes with. All right, so if we look at the bottom here, this is where you basically, it sucks all the dirt in. This is where your battery pack is and your on and off button. You have these wheels here. It is higher, so it won't get stuck on like any kind of grates or anything like that at the bottom of the pool. These also brush the bottom of your pool as it's cleaning. Okay, we'll turn it back over and I'll open it up. You have 4 little latches. They just pull open real easy. And this is basically the motor side. This is a standard, or a very, this is a design that's used in a lot of different robots, a lot of different manufacturers, where you have basically your 3-piece design. You have your base, your filter, and your motor. So if we look right here, this is your filter. So you can see here how fine that is. It's like a fine mesh. And basically the way this works is this is pulling the water up through here and filtering it, and it keeps everything contained inside. That's what the job of this filter is. Okay, so once it's a filter, basically falls back into the base. So you can see the base here. I'll bring you a little bit closer so you can see what this thing picked up. So you can see it picked up the sand, the fine sand, which is nice. Dirt, leaves, pine needles, hair. This even had hair in it. I pulled it out. You can see there's some grass in there, leaves, and things like that. These are the doors where the water comes in. So these open up when the motors turn on, and then when the motors turn off, these close so that the crud doesn't go back inside of your pool. To put it back together, very simple. You just put this on and you put your motor on. Of course, after you clean it. I will show you real quickly. Basically just, and you clip it, okay? To get power into this, there is a charging port right here. It comes with a charging cable, of course. This is the packaging. Packaging is very nice, very nicely done. Accessories, charger. This is the box it comes in. It's very, very well packaged. It also has this quick start guide as well. Kind of just shows you how to use it, how to read the indicators. When it's charged, it'll be green. When it's dead, it's red. This is good for a smaller pool, I would say, and it's obviously for something, also it says for a flat bottom pool. So if you have a very large slope, probably not meant for that, probably not the best for that. But if you have a flat, like maybe an in-ground pool, above ground pool, this would actually be really good. States it runs for 100 minutes. I did not time it, but it ran for a long time. So this is the Poolease X1 robot.